I don't think anything is more addicting than playing video games. It helps you relax and cool off after a busy day at work, or maybe it's what you look forward to when you have some downtime. What about watching videos online? It's probably equally addicting. Hours of your day could get lost doing these hobbies, and you don't even realize it. Well, if you love either one of these, what would you say if I told you you are capable of making hundreds playing video games and watching videos? Would you believe me? What if I told you that you could make $36 every single hour doing this? Hello and welcome to the Money Kings, where we provide new videos about how to make the most money from your phone or laptop in the comfort of your home. Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you will never miss out on any tips or tricks we have to show you about all the awesome and legit ways to make money online. Let's be real. You probably are already playing video games or spending way too much time watching videos. So let's learn how to make money from it. And I'm so excited to show you how. So let's start. Companies in the video game industry want to pay you real money to play their games because what you have to provide is so valuable for them, and it is worth the money. What you have that they value is your opinions. That is what they are wanting to pay you for. They want first-hand data from people that actually are going to play their games. They want to know what will get more people to play, people talking about their games, opinions on the overall outlook so they can improve their games to their customers' likings. That is why they will pay you so much to simply play their video games. So if you like to play and have great opinions, this video is perfect for you. All right. Let's get you to sign up and get some money into your pockets. The first website we are going to do today is actually called Playtest Cloud Now. There are a lot of websites similar to this one that you can find as well, but we are going to be talking about this one. So this is for playing testing games during the development phase, soft launch of the games. So what you want to do is to become a tester. So you will need to go through a typical sign-up process where you add your email and answer the general questions about video games you play. It will tell you how to play and what devices you need to use to play these test games. And it also will tell you how much money you will earn. Generally, a test game will run at about $9 for 15 minutes of play, which is how we came up with the $36 per hour code. My main focus here is to give you all the tips and tricks to make the most money out of all these online ideas, right? So I won't be disappointing you today. That's for sure. There will be a page after signing up that will be a video guide for a few minutes long to teach you how to use the program and become a test player. And it has a qualification test. It is unpaid, but even if you fail this qualification test, you can retake it. After you are cleared and you pass the test, you will get an email inviting you to the real play tests that pay actual money. But that first test is just so you can learn the ropes and get the hang of it. So basically, what you're going to end up doing for these companies as a test player is you're going to record yourself playing the game, and as you play the game, you will be giving advice and personal input about the game. Yes, you will need to speak out loud as you play. This will give the game makers accurate feedback on what you actually think at the very moment when you play the game. That's what they are looking for. Tell them what you like and dislike, and don't be afraid to really voice your opinion. That's what they want you to do. They want to know how to improve and get people to really like their games. The software that is used will only record when you are in a game. So it will record all of your screen actions and whatever is said through the microphone. So keep that in mind as you play. If a phone call comes in through and you leave the game for some reason, the recording will stop and you can resume it when you get back into the game. You can also recruit your kids to play also. However, you won't be able to talk for them. You can ask them questions to keep their thoughts rolling out loud. But mostly, the video makers want to hear from the kids. I thought this was a cool opportunity if you have kids or if you have a little sibling that would like to get in for fun. Really, this is such a fun opportunity and a way to make money that is just so enjoyable for everyone. Making $9 every 15 minutes would be any kid's dream. You will also need to create a PayPal account before you get started, as they only pay through PayPal because it has the lowest means of transferring money and payments. So if PayPal is not available in your country, you will not be able to use this method. But luckily, PayPal is pretty available no matter where you are. Below the sign up, there's a list of questions people have asked that you can go through if you have any specific questions that you would like to be answered. But a lot of the information will be in the training, and as you go along, you will get the hang of it pretty quickly. I mean, who can beat $9 for a 15-minute game? You can get to have fun playing and make money all at the same time. Such a fun opportunity. All right, and that is it for today. Make sure you like this video if it gave you a new way to earn a little extra cash. Subscribe to Money Kings and we will keep you updated on the easiest way to earn money online from the comfort of your home, on the side, or for a little bit of fun money. Don't forget to click the notification bell as well so you can be the first to know. Thank you for watching and we will see you next time.